Back to another video. Today we have the Kenome Meat grinder for the KitchenAid stand mixer. So this is sort of a generic brand of the version that KitchenAid makes. Theirs costs $79.99. I got this for $43.99. And I've seen them as low as $34.99 for more plastic ones. This one's made of metal. First thing you see is this really cheap plastic plunger to push the meat in. You've got the body of the grinder, which has got some pretty good heft to it. You have the top of the grinder that goes on like that. The instructions, pretty simple, just one page. A brush that's pretty handy for cleaning out the mixer after you're done with it. And this little envelope, which I'm assuming has the blades and the grates. So it comes with 3 different grates. You've got very small, this is a standard size, and a very large one. I'm not exactly sure what that one's for. And then these 2 blades. And then finally, we have a sausage stuffer and a hot dog stuffer. And a little thank you card just reminding you that this is not dishwasher safe. And to put it on the mixer, you just take this off, throw it on like any standard KitchenAid attachment. And there's also, forgot to mention, there is another larger grate that's already in here. And then another blade as well. And inside is the auger, also metal. So the non-metal things is the seal. That one should be obvious. And the plunger, which I wish this was something different than this really cheap plastic. But that's my only major complaints about it. But for half the cost of the KitchenAid model, I'd say it's definitely worth it. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and you'll see this again in later videos from cooking stuff with it.